to Fusion Cuisine. Today I'm gonna sizzle your kitchen with something spicy, and this is one of the most favored starter recipe. Yes indeed, it's Paneer Tikka. So let's begin. In a bowl, take half a cup of curd, and to this we'll add all the Indian spices as shown here to prepare the marinade. So first I already added the jeera and the coriander powder. Next I added some red chilli powder, and then we'll add turmeric powder followed by some garam masala. Add the Amchur powder to bring out the tangy flavor. Add salt as per your taste. Add ginger garlic paste and then 1 teaspoon of mustard oil, which imparts a great flavor, followed by a tablespoon of lemon juice. Now mix this well. Next, to this mixture I'll add capsicum, onions and tomatoes, which I diced into quarter-sized pieces and have de-seeded the tomatoes as well. Once the vegetables are mixed properly, it's time to add the paneer. Gently coat them with the marinade and leave it aside for 15 minutes. I pre-soaked the skewer for 30 minutes in water. Now let's place the paneer and the veggies into the skewer. This has to be random. Stack it in any order you want. Skewer is filled. Let's repeat the process of stacking the rest of the paneer and the veggies. Now that our skewers are ready, which looks so appealing by itself, it's time to heat some oil in a tawa. One quick tip here. Before you start grilling, always clean the skewer or the stick of excess marinade. This will prevent the skewers from getting oily or greasy. Place the skewers and cook them on medium heat. Let's do a quick check and we'll flip them until all the sides are grilled evenly. Look, the tikka has beautifully scorched from all the sides. Serve this immediately with green chutney and enjoy. Try this easy paneer starter recipe, and I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon here to receive notifications. Keep watching Fusion Cuisine, and I'll be back with my next recipe very soon. Until then, bye-bye.